Hello. Welcome to Hexal Dutch School. Today, we are going to learn about the Dutch letter V. The Dutch V is pronounced as V. Similar to the English V in van, but sometimes softer, almost like an F in some accents. Listen carefully. Say it with me. V. Now, repeat after me. V. Once more. V. Let's practice it a few more times. Listen first, then repeat after me. Say it again. V. Now a little faster. V. And once more at normal speed. V. A common mistake is confusing V with F. Make sure to pronounce V with a slight vibration of the lower lip against the upper teeth. One more time. V. Let's say it 3 more times together. First, slowly. V. Now, a little faster. V. Finally, at normal speed. V. Great job. Keep practicing. See you in the next lesson.